So with that note, let me start my lecture. Of course, we belong to the allopathic system of medicine, and this is a very strong system of medicine which deals with various kinds of diseases. And allopathy is the system for any emergency situations. At the same time, it has a lot of limitations. We do not have much for prevention except vaccines. There is no drug for any prevention. So in that context, Ganoderma is a very powerful herb which gives us that power to protect us from various diseases. So today, the allopathic system primarily focuses on treating the diseases. But we have realized today that prevention is the key. And in prevention of diseases, most important factor being the nutrition. Now, we allopathic doctors realize that nutrition is very, very important. And we know that nutrition becomes a medicine. Because a lot of nutritional disorders leads to very many diseases, especially lifestyle diseases. And a lot of killer diseases are caused by lack of nutrition. And in DXN, we have a very powerful product, Spirulina, which is the most nutritious food in the world. And these two products, can really help us in preventing a lot of diseases. So, to talk about Ganoderma, all of us need to consume Ganoderma for two fundamental reasons. One is to protect the health, and second is for medicinal benefits. All of you will agree with me that health is the most precious asset that one can possess, and all the four dimensions of health is required, including the spiritual health. But unfortunately, when you age only, you get that spiritual health. You don't get this when you are young. And the father of modern medicine, Hippocrates, said that let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. And Ganoderma is a very powerful food supplement which can act as a medicine. And every food what we take can become a poison. Excess amount consumption of salt, sugar, fat becomes a poison. That's a basic problem with us today because of the food what we take today. And all our food is contaminated with toxins. Even the water becomes a poison because we have a lot of chemicals present in water, and that leads to a lot of illnesses, diseases. And Ganoderma, talking about Ganoderma, it can never become a poison because there is no toxic element in that. It can become only a medicine. It has been used for more than 5,000 years. There are more than 400 active ingredients which make the Ganoderma so powerful in therapeutic benefits. And those 400 elements are classified under 4 major headings: triterpenes, ganoderic essence, polysaccharide, adenosine, and organic germanium. And we'll be talking about some of the medicinal benefits of Ganoderma. But the primary focus will be on the prevention. So when you want to prevent diseases, as I said, the various actions of Ganoderma has to be there. And these 4 powerful effects of Ganoderma give us that health. The antioxidant effect, one of the most powerful effect of Ganoderma, the immunomodulating effect, the vasodilating effect, and the detoxification function. And Ganoderma is the most powerful antioxidant known to us. And we cardiologists, we prescribe antioxidants regularly for primary prevention or even secondary prevention. And even the statins what we use, they have antioxidant effects. But statin has its own side effects. And one of the Mayo Clinic professor, David Gomes, he says that antioxidant, that's statin, should be in our drinking water. He goes to the extent of, saying that message. But unfortunately, statins can be potentially toxic. But the beauty of Ganoderma is that it cannot be a toxic, and it's very powerful at an antioxidant. It is 5 times more powerful like ginseng. And antioxidant activity is measured in terms of ORAC, and that is the oxygen radical absorbent capacity, and that the antioxidant activity of ginseng is around 5,000. Ganoderma is very powerful, 5 times more powerful, and the antioxidant activity is almost 23,000 units. So making it the most powerful antioxidant, so that it's very powerful in protecting us from all the ill effects of free radicals. And the free radicals are highly toxic substances which can lead to deadly diseases. It can cause cancer, it can cause premature aging, it can cause arthritis, heart disease, heart failure, kidney failure. So the oxidative stress is taken care of by consumption of Ganoderma. And in terms of vascular disease, the free radicals can promote the deposition of oxidized cholesterol in the arteries, leading to heart attacks or other vascular diseases. And Ganoderma is a powerful antioxidant which can prevent that cholesterol deposition, and it can offer vascular protection. And today we know that our health is primarily dependent on good blood vessels and blood flow. If your blood vessels are healthy, you remain healthy. If your blood flow is good, you remain healthy. And Ganoderma is such a powerful antioxidant. It can protect our vascular system. As I mentioned, Ganoderma can postpone the aging process, because aging leads to disease. As a powerful antioxidant, it can postpone the aging process. It can prevent cancer, can help in cancer prevention and also in cancer treatment. So for prevention, Ganoderma is the most powerful antioxidant known to us. The second effect of Ganoderma is by acting on the immune system. It modulates our immune system, increases our immunity by increasing the interleukin 1 and 2 and interferon production. And for good health, for protecting us from various infections, we need a good humoral and cell-mediated immunity. Ganoderma can increase both humoral and cell-mediated immunity. Vaccines are not going to be the answer, because, as Professor said, every second, new virus or a bacteria is emerging, and they are ready to attack us and kill us. And to develop a vaccine, it takes so many years. And to get a drug, it takes about 10 years. And so much of money has to be pumped in. To develop a new drug, you need to have $1 billion US. The average expenditure, money involved to produce a drug, a new drug, is around $1 billion US. Tremendous amount of money. So drug cannot be the answer. So Ganoderma, by acting on our immune system, it definitely protects us, especially children, immunocompromised children. Basically, the immune system is down because of malnutrition, undernutrition. And ordinary infections kill so many hundreds and thousands of children in this world. The childhood mortality is so high. We should be ashamed of that. No pregnant woman should die. No nursing mother should die. No child should die. I don't know when that time will come. So we are killing our own children. So where is the answer? Better nutrition, better immunity. And that can be given by Spirulina and Ganoderma. And Ganoderma is the most powerful immunomodulator. So I said, if you need a good health, you need a healthy blood vessels. And the healthy blood vessels are primarily is by protecting the blood vessels. And in Ganoderma, you have two powerful components, adenosine and guanosine. The natural adenosine is there. And when I finished my DM cardiology, 1985, Dr. Gangamal should be much senior to me. I never imagined that injection adenosine will be available as a drug. Today, injection adenosine is the drug of choice for paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardia. It's a molecule which is present in every cell, the form of ADP, ATP. The energy what you require, it has to provide. The adenyl cyclase has to provide. So, the high energy phosphate bond, when it is released, you get from the adenosine molecule complex, you get that energy. And adenosine by itself is a powerful vasodilator, especially on the microcirculation. So this natural adenosine is present in Ganoderma. Another component is guanosine. This is also a powerful molecule. So both adenosine and guanosine help to protect the microcirculation and increase the microcirculation. That's one of the fundamental mechanisms by which it protects the vascular system. As you age, your blood flow decreases, and that leads to the aging process and disease. So if you need to be healthy at any age, especially in the old age, you need to protect your blood vessels, you need to increase your blood flow. And that is the effect which is done by Ganoderma, because we do not have any medicine to increase the blood circulation from head to foot. Maybe that we have some drugs to increase the brain circulation or the circulation to the heart, nitrates. But today we believe walking is the best medicine, because walking increases the blood circulation, the blood flow, and heart is a tremendous organ with so much of reserve capacity. It can pump 30 liters of blood every minute. 30. So, when you need good health, you need blood flow, and good oxygenation, good nutrition, and that is done by the powerful herb Ganoderma lucidum. In disease situations, Ganoderma can help so many disease situations, because, as we said, it contains more than 400 active ingredients. And with drugs, when you consume Ganoderma, you get additional benefits. Drugs are toxic materials, medications. Poison in small quantities will become medicine. When you consume more medicine, it will become a poison. You need to be extremely careful. Now, the present scenario is, we misuse drugs. That's one of the big problems. Especially in India, where you can get any medicine over the counter. You don't require a doctor's prescription. So we need to be extremely cautious. Do not misuse drugs. So you need to take drugs only under medical supervision. And when you consume Ganoderma along with drugs, you get so many benefits. The potentiating effect, the additional medicinal benefit what you derive out of Ganoderma. And this is one of the powerful benefit what you get as the pain killing effect, the anti-inflammatory effect. The polysaccharide fraction of Ganoderma is very powerful as a painkiller. And a lot of people misuse painkillers. And today, we are facing a very difficult situation because of the toxicity of the painkillers. A lot of people come with kidney failure, liver failure, bone marrow depression. Why? Even heart failure. They can bleed somewhere. I have experience of, bad experience of having patients having bleeding in the brain for just 75 milligram of aspirin, low dose aspirin, what we routinely prescribe. Basically, there is no safe painkiller. All the painkillers are potentially very toxic and dangerous. So you need to have a natural painkiller. You have two products in DXN which can take care of your chronic pains. Of course, if it is an acute pain, you need analgesics, you need some kind of an anti-inflammatory drug or an injection. And the chronic pains, they are the things, they disturb you. And being a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, Ganoderma can do that job. And Morinji is a very powerful painkiller. You have scopolamine as a component, which is a anti-inflammatory substance. It's a COX-2 inhibitor, specific COX-2 inhibitor, Morinji. So when you combine Ganoderma and Morinji, you have excellent pain-killing effect. And the added medicinal benefit of Ganoderma being an anti-inflammatory agent, it can be useful in inflammatory disorders of the brain, especially Alzheimer's and Parkinsonism. So Ganoderma is a natural painkiller with 100% safety, especially for chronic pains. Another powerful effect of Ganoderma, the medicinal benefit of Ganoderma, is as an anti-cancer. It was discovered in Japan in 1977 that Ganoderma has got anti-cancer effect. Many of the components of Ganoderma, they have anti-cancer effect. And today, for cancer, we use these three modes of treatment: radiation, chemotherapy, surgery, paclitaxel, docetaxel. There are so many drugs which are basically derived from plant kingdom. And 70% of allopathic medications are derived from nature. We use a drug called digoxin for 300 years for heart failure. There is no drug till today for heart failure, which is a plant product, which is obtained from foxglove, Digitalis purpura. So for cancer treatment also, there are so many drugs which are basically plant alkaloids. And Ganoderma, being a very powerful anti-cancer agent, it can help in cancer prevention as well as cancer treatment. And my first experience was with a blood cancer patient, monocytic leukemia, a young girl with monocytic leukemia. That was way back in 1999. One Miss Rajini, school teacher. That time Dr. Clarence, Dr. Ratna's classmate only, introduced the Ganoderma to me. Both of them were classmates in Mysore Medical College. It happened before DXN business started in India. And she had a miraculous recovery. Then only I started reading about Ganoderma and I understood this is a very powerful herb. And that time only it struck me that, I am digoxin day in and day out for my cardiology patients and cardiac failure patients. And of course, in 2000 the business started. And even before that, I became a temporary member. I sponsored my classmate, Dr. Tangaraj, my roommate, and it has grown as a big dinosaur's leg. It's all decided by him. And today, a lot of my colleagues are joining DXN, and I have seniors joining me, a lot of medical people joining me. Because they were all making fun of me in 99 and 2000. Now they are joining DXN. So they have also become wiser. So we need to understand that health is very, very precious. I always say 3 things, you should avoid. You should not go to 3 places. Don't go to a police station. Don't go to a lawyer, court. Don't go to doctor. Especially cardiologist.